An interactive guide to an obscure Camino. This guide is based on a spreadsheet that can work on a phone or small tablet. It will also work on Windows computers for planning at home. The examples shown are in OpenOffice on a Windows laptop. The first thing you need to do is follow this link. Following the link will get you to a screen looking like this one. Click on English, assuming that's the language you want, and download two files to start with: Introduction and Route Notes and Rough Guide on single sheets. Please now pause the video and read the instruction before continuing. Okay, I understand you don't want to type that URL in. You will find it in the further information under the video. Once you have read the introduction, or at least read the first page of the introduction, please open the spreadsheet and take a look at any page other than the abbreviation page at the start. You can navigate through the spreadsheet by using the tabs at the bottom. There is one sheet for each section of the route, and the towns and larger villages that you pass through are on the left, in the order in which you will travel through them. There is quite a lot of information available about places to stay and facilities available, and you can find more by clicking the underlined links. The links with the red arrows are all to maps of some sort. This is a fairly detailed explanation for City Trail using their website. There is a search box on the front page once you have logged in. You need to create a free account before you can do this. Enter the number shown on the spreadsheet and you should get a result like this. Click on the name of the walk to get the map overview. Then you can edit, view, save, send to your phone, or if you must, print on paper. If you want to use Komoot, this is even easier. The link takes you directly to this page. It is still a good idea to create a free account, as this will let you send maps to your phone and store in the Komoot cloud. To use these maps with your phone GPS, you will need a suitable app for the phone. There is a wide choice on Google Play. The two I have shown are fairly typical in their method of use. All the GPX files for the whole route are in the Dropbox, so you can load them up to your phone and in the cloud of the app you choose. Here are some pictures to look at while I talk to you about apps for the phone. All the ones I have tried will let you edit on their site. You only need one of them and they all have a free version. If you want IGN maps, you will have to pay. All the free ones use open source maps. In addition to these detailed routes, there are some overview maps in the Dropbox. They aren't intended for navigation, but to help you choose which sections you want to do. The KLM files work with Google Earth and let you see the terrain more clearly than on a standard map. Both the phone and Windows apps are free. Other links on the spreadsheet are to external sites and to email. These will only work in the downloaded spreadsheet, not in the preview. The media folder contains this video and will be populated with other videos and photos once I have tested the whole route. The further information folder is a collection of possibly useful material gathered along the way. I hope that this is all clear, but I will be happy to explain anything that you don't understand. Please read the introduction and route notes first before you email me. The email address is in the introduction.